Wow, this is a big one. 18 by 8, fully insulated, steel back, model 5983. I want you to train your ear to the bearings and the wheels. That is way too loud. And I gotta balance the door as well. Let's get started, folks. We're gonna change out some nylon rollers, baby. Ball bearing sealed, ultra quiet, ultra durable. Pull out the old fancy pockets. This door is 8 feet, which means it takes 12 rollers, not 10. Open up the vertical track. Pop your roller. Pop your roller. Take your pry bar. Pop your roller. Now the door's starting to get real heavy. Pop your roller. Get your last one out. And that is it. Only recommended if you know what you're doing. Put one in. Lift it up. Put one in. Lift it up. Put one in. Lift it up. Put one in. Put it in. Grab one out of your pocket. Bring the bottom section down. Pop it in. Close the track. Bring the door back down. Take your drill. Drop the screw. Get rid of that bad roller. Put the new one in. And put it back the way you took it off. Pick up the screw you dropped. That's it. Now we're going to move over to the other side. All right, we're on the right side. We're going to do it reverse. We're going to take out the top bracket. Drop that roller. Slide in the new one. Put it in. Screw it down. You can do it to all the brackets. If you don't feel comfortable taking the door out of the track, you can just keep taking the hinges off. Drop it. Also, let's take a listen to that. Customer called for a tune-up. Got to address this. There ain't no getting rid of that. That's loud. Put your roller in, bottom barrel, number 4 hinge, pin it down, let it hang there, free float. Put the bottom one in, tighten it, move up, tighten, tighten, tighten. That's one way. Oh yeah, that's bad. Next way, we open up the track with your claw hammer. Take your pry tool. That's bad bearings. Bring it down. Pop it out. Bring it down, pop it out. Bring it down, pop it out. See how the door is? You got to be careful. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to have a problem. Pop the roller in, walk it up. Roller in, bottom barrel. Walk it up. Number 1, and last but not least, put this back the way they had it. The rope behind there. Close the track. That's it, folks. Not good. To finish things up, we're going to grease, oil, spray lube. Hey, you want to keep it down out there, pal? I don't know if you can hear that truck, but I'm going to give it a second. Spray the end plates. Spray the bottom loop on the cable to help with rust. Prevent some rust. Spray the end plate. That part's done. Listen how much quieter that is. Make sure you spray the springs. They rub together, causing friction. Start at the top. That way it'll work and run down both sides. And then when you use it, it'll work itself in. Spray the spring. Run it a couple times. Work that lube in there. Make sure you spray your hinges as they are pivoting. Can turn this down. That's what I really like about National. Door Industries, Inc. Brings me to childhood memories of being on a farm. It smells like the stuff Grandpa would use on the tractors. And what's really crazy is it's called National, not International, but National. So that's kind of a friendly reminder too. All right, spray the rail. Go through the settings. Just get some of the lube on the belt. And the rail. Help with the sliding and guiding. That's it. Give it a test. Come on. I mean, come on. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys next time.